see this Huawei Mate X-T3 foldable, large-size foldable screen. I will check system application adaptation on this smartphone. Then we will take a look at the overall adaptation of it today. First of all, I will the system application. First of all, after opening it, it is a sample of a large screen tablet. If you fold it back to the case of double screen, its call connection will be placed on the bottom bar. After fully unzipping, it will be placed on the far left. There will be a better adaptation layout. Then you fold it back. Of course it is a normal state, but you see, the transition of the three-fold foldable screen is actually very natural, including some browsers. It is also such a layout. All very natural. Let's try the third-party application. Let's try Weibo first. Weibo is a sample of a tablet under full screen. Just click on one. It is also a tablet that can be pulled left and right like a tablet to make an adaptation of the layout. To become a double folded state, it is a double folded point that has been adapted because a double folded point of Huawei. It was already very good in terms of application adaptation. This is a positive content. This is our comment area and forwarding interaction on WeChat. It is also the same big screen operation. This is the column of 2, 4, 0. This is Lu Yongguang. Then in terms of WeChat, it also becomes a state of a big screen. This is the normal setting of a foldable screen. The above is actually a state of a big screen. Then after folding it, it will also return to a scene of a double folded point. Let's take a look at its transition. This is a foldable form. Then open the double folded form. Then expand the form of the tablet. These transitions are very good, no problem. Including from a full screen, then it becomes a foldable state. This transition is very good. Like these high-end maps, it is a full screen. It's very comfortable to look at the map on such a big tablet. Double folded point. In the state of a big screen, it is a tablet originally. We said that its adaptation itself is also very good. For example, zoom in and zoom out, it can all be displayed, but in the worst case, it can display a 5-page content. This way you can see a lot of information. For example, we have to click in to see the content in this state of a full screen. It is indeed more visible than the previous double folded point. For example, in the photo here and the content of the text here. It can all be displayed more comprehensively. In this case, look at the most common information sites, or the application is a very good experience. If it is the same as the previous Douyin, in the state of a large screen, it is more suitable to use that kind of vertical screen. Go and see, this effect is the best. Including fast, it is originally a state of a vertical screen. On this big screen, it must be said that Douyin fast is the most comfortable if it becomes a double folded point. It is still the same as the current state of a double folded point. Of course, it's still a big screen. Look at some similar applications like this in a full screen state. In fact, if you hold it with one hand, in fact, there is still a lot of pressure. It's not as good as a double screen state. In this case, it will be more convenient to watch. Including the state of a large screen. Look at the application in the cartoon. It is also a layout similar to the tablet. In this case, it is still not as good as a book. Will be more comfortable, or fold it back as a case of a double folded screen. Go and see. For example, we turn on the writing in a large screen state or a mode similar to the tablet. This is a fixed one. My own big screen here is a bubble. In this case, it is actually not as good as before. In the case of a double screen, here is a menu bar, then this side is a bubble. It will be more beautiful. After clicking in, if you look at it with a large screen, this side is also fixed, then this side is a state of information flow. The content of this video is here. First, what other applications do you want us to see or look at a display in various folded states? Remember to leave us a message in the comment area.